But we still have a pretty good walleye bite around the Alexandria area, getting some good size and numbers, so can't complain at all about that for coming into August now. And the best depth, about 15 to 22 feet, depending on the lake. As far as the speed, right around mile an hour to 1.3 on the spinner rigs. It's that silver to chartreuse and copper or gold, been real good. Those three colors probably been my go-tos on the spinner rigs. And just pulling real slow, like I said, one mile an hour, 1.3, somewhere in that range, and just mark the fish and go through them. If you're getting a lot of sunfish, kind of move on. Those fish like to separate a little bit, and if you're getting a lot of bluegills, generally the walleye are not in the area. So, you know, if they're nice bluegills, obviously spin back around, catch some of those. They're always a blast. But the walleye will generally not be in the area. So I like to go through. When I'm really catching walleye, I'll never have a sunfish bite. So that just goes to show you that they push them right out. Yeah, just kind of keep driving around until you mark some heavy fish, you know, some nice marks on the locator, and then slow down and pull back those spinners back through there. The bass have been going real good, size and numbers up in the pencil weeds, getting a lot of fish this week up in those areas. Just kind of keep on the move though. They're not as schooled up as they were a few weeks ago where you could catch 10, 20 out of a spot. Now you're more like one every little point and nook and cranny on the pencil weeds. So very spread out now. But again, still, if you keep at it, you're going to get good numbers and size. And the panfish, the sunfish seem to have completely done with the spawn, and they're definitely scattered out and schooled up in the deep water. You know, it seems like 22, 25 feet of water is not too deep at all, and there's a lot of bluegills out in that area. And they've kind of slid out of that 12 to 16 foot area they've been in the last month spawning. A lot of fish in that depth. Of course, there's fish shallower spawning, but I've been seeing the masses in that 12 to 16 feet spawning in the last month, and now they're out a little bit deeper. So, yeah, so just no matter what species you're after, keep on the move. You know, there's about 95% of the fish and 5% of the water, so that means it's going to require some moving around. But when you do find fish, it'll be a big payoff. So, bite's been great, and I'll keep you up to date as we go on through the month here.